Streaming live from our global headquarters in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is the 2017 York Affinity launch. Please welcome to the stage Liz Haggerty, Vice President and General Manager, Unitary Products Group.
Thank you for joining us today. Today is a defining moment for York. We are officially launching a product that is changing the way we think about home comfort through efficient performance, worry-free reliability, and integrated functionality. It's the first high-efficiency residential system with built-in advanced charge monitoring, and we're making it right here in the United States. Now, home heating and air conditioning is smarter and more connected, more efficient, and more reliable than ever before. And it's actually built for the way people live. Homeowners, contractors, and distributors are embracing today's connected environment. And we are so proud to reveal the product that will deliver exceptional, efficient home comfort. When we set out to change the definition of home comfort, we started with our customers, both our homeowners and the trade. We researched what today's connected consumer wanted in a home comfort system, and we listened to what the contractor network told us was important to help them grow their businesses. Now, listening to our customers told us a lot. It told us we had to start at the beginning, and we had to analyze every facet of what defines a home premium comfort system. Here are a few of the numbers that demonstrate how the development of our New York Affinity system changed everything. So we started with our 4-pillar strategy around product quality: design, supplier, manufacturing, and field. We installed 27 new state-of-the-art leak detectors, and we deployed them across the whole factory. We partnered with 47 vendors in 75 locations, and we subjected them to the strictest component selection process we've ever used in our products. 200 times we opened that control box door and closed it to guarantee that the wires wouldn't pinch or wear over the life of the unit. 285 employees were involved in our prototype development and assessment. And we had 364 units that were subjected to rigorous, highly accelerated life testing. That identified 552 items that we needed to inspect versus the norm. And we identified 2,887 potential failures and we addressed them all. Our employees went through 22,500 hours of training on this new product line. And our products went through 33,000 brutal simulated winters. That's the equivalent of 91 winters per unit. And if that wasn't enough, we then put them through 49,000 blistering simulated summers, the equivalent of 136 summers per unit. 15 million cycles were performed on our blower motors, and 20 million cycles were performed on our condensing motors. These milestones point to a new way of thinking about home comfort. We're delivering the right products with industry-leading quality that have been developed, tested, and manufactured with the right processes to make this happen. It's all about installing confidence. Now, it took a real dedicated effort across multiple disciplines to develop this product, the most advanced product line in the history. Product development, engineering, manufacturing, quality, sales, and many other teams provided critical feedback, new ideas, and the most innovative solutions. It was that collaborative thinking and unrelenting focus to quality that got us to where we are today. So now let's hear about all the exciting new technologies that are redefining home comfort for our customers.
Please welcome the Director of Advanced Systems, Controls, and Technology, Jedidiah Bentz.
The superior innovation that we're introducing with the York Affinity systems leapfrog our competition. At the same time, it's not technology or competitors that are driving our design. It's our customers. Today's connected consumers want efficient performance, worry-free reliability, and functionality that fits their active lifestyles. When customer needs are the focus of the most advanced engineering team and testing facilities available, the output is a system that exceeds all expectations. So why use variable speed technology? Your standard heating and air conditioning system has only one speed. Those systems are sized and installed to maintain conditions in the home at the hottest or the coldest times of the year. If it's not the hottest or coldest time of the year, your energy is being wasted. The York Affinity and variable capacity residential systems changes all of that. Every part of the system is dynamically aligning, modulating, adjusting capacity and airflow to the ever-changing needs of your home. It's delivering what's necessary in that moment to provide the maximum comfort and minimize your power consumption. Now, at the heart of this dynamic system is a set of controls that's constantly monitoring pressures and temperatures. It's monitoring capacity, comfort, and overall system health. While it looks complex, the focus of the design is really simple. Deliver comfort, efficiency, and reliability better than anyone has done before. As with the outdoor and indoor fan, the compressor is also driven by the needs of the home. Depending on the conditions of both the inside and the outside, the system can run at a fraction of full capacity to maintain your comfort while still saving you on electricity. This means fewer high-intensity starts and stops and more consistent temperatures in the home while we better control the home's humidity levels. The variable capacity operation uses up to 80% less electricity than the conventional PSC blowers typically found in the base model air handling units today. Completing the system with the HX touchscreen thermostat earns us the right to put Energy Star's most efficient certification on the unit. And we're boasting efficiency ratings of up to 20 SEER. And we're proud to say that we're doing all of that while maintaining quietness with the Quiet Drive. The Quiet Drive is a suite of sound-defeating technologies that reduce outdoor operating sound levels to no more than that of a typical kitchen dishwasher. This is made possible by being really purposeful in the design of three major components of the outdoor system. First, the fan. So with the fan, we're using a couple things. One, a variable speed motor that allows us to change the speed of the fan depending on the requirements of the home. And then we've designed an advanced technology fan blade that will sweep through the air quietly while still generating the airflow required for reliable, efficient air conditioning. And how about the compressor? Our compressor is outfitted with a surrounding that will dampen the sound waves before they're ever distributed to your home or even your neighbors. and all of this is resting on an advanced composite base pan. This base pan is absorbing vibrations that would otherwise turn into audible noise. So finally, the interface to the system, the gateway to the York Affinity system, the Wi-Fi enabled HX touchscreen thermostat. With the ability to view and control system settings from anywhere, this control is what puts our technology at the fingertips of our customer, and it does so in a way that is simple and clear. The self-monitoring control can even notify the homeowner and service contractor, if desired, of an emergent issue before comfort is ever interrupted. Now, not only is the HX thermostat the gateway to the system, we've also put the potential in there to connect the people living with this system to the people who maintain this system year over year. With homeowner permission, our contractors can download this app and see and view every system that they've installed for their customers. They're able to find out, is it online? They can view system diagnostics and even make any necessary operating adjustments to provide an all-new level of personalized service and support. So as the idea for this system was being formed, our world-class contractors were right at the forefront of our mind. For those installers and service professionals, we provided features that allow a new ease of installation, commissioning, and service that will empower them to confidently tie their brands, to tie their names to this system. Installation-friendly features like the swing-out control box. This advanced control box design gives our contractors full corner access for servicing equipment or just for their annual clean and tune visit. Finally, when we're talking about advanced, we mean advanced. First of its kind, built-in charge assurance. This charge monitoring that we put into our air conditioners and heat pumps provide a direct readout of the high and low pressures of the system. We've got the suction and liquid temperatures, and we're calculating the superheat and subcooling values. So what does that do for you? This helps ensure the system is properly optimized for faster installation and service. We're maximizing that service life and giving you that added peace of mind. This is another example of customer-focused design. It wasn't just about putting a 5-inch capacitive screen on our outdoor unit because we can. Okay, this is about adding value. Value in the form of factory-installed digital gauges for every York Affinity system that we ship out the door. The HX touchscreen thermostat, as part of this complete system, makes it easier to install, commission, and set up. And thanks to our Climate Set technology, we're providing pre-configured operating profiles to optimize your air conditioner or heat pump in your specific climate. So this is a complete system. In order to deliver the most efficient, dynamic comfort, we have developed air handlers that feature low air leakage cabinets to minimize loss and infiltration versus your typical cabinet designs. These compact cabinets are only 20.5 inches deep and feature an automotive-grade powder coat finish to ensure they're going to look great for years. Now, if you want to get up close and personal with these features, you can go online and download our York app. Just go to the Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for York Affinity, and you can see some of these sweet 360 animations that you've seen in our presentation today. So now I'm going to talk to you, if you're familiar with a long, cold winter, we're going to show you some footage of what we put our units through. I know that whiz-bang technology and a list of features won't mean anything if the system doesn't last. At York, we've made significant investments in industry-leading facilities that test our systems to ensure they will not only last, but maintain that optimal performance. Our highly accelerated life testing chambers put our systems through temperatures ranging from -10 all the way up to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. We generate rain, sleet, snow, and we beat down on these units with high-powered UV lights. We run the system through brownout and blackout utility simulators. And we've run some of these systems for more than 20 years of accelerated operational tests. That ensures that our confidence in this finished product will become your confidence as you go to install, buy, and live with York products. So whether we are literally shaking these units with frequencies and vibrations that you would not see on the worst roads in the world, or exercising this system performance in one of our cyclometric chambers, we are designing these units to exceed comfort, performance, and efficiency goals that go well beyond the industry standard. And don't forget, we're building these systems in the heartland of America, my hometown, Wichita, Kansas. Over 140 of our nearly 2,000 skilled workers have been with us for more than 30 years. We offer industry-leading warranties on the York Affinity Outdoor, including a limited 1-year labor, a lifetime compressor, and 10-year parts limited warranties on registered products. Our industry-leading trials and advanced testing procedures are best practices that we use across Johnson Controls, ensuring world-class quality and a lasting performance. So here's something you can get really excited about if you're not already, all right? One lucky household will have the opportunity to experience this York Affinity quality firsthand this spring in our American Quality Residential System giveaway. York has a proud history of having our residential HVAC systems designed, engineered, and assembled by our friends and neighbors right here in the United States. We want to encourage consumers to demonstrate their American values, pride, quality, workmanship, and their service to this country. We're going to promote this via social media this spring. Homeowners are going to have the opportunity to demonstrate their American values through the yorkgiveaway.com landing page. This is going to prompt them to post a photo on Twitter or Instagram using American Quality hashtag to be entered for a chance to win a York Affinity residential system. So now you can see why we are so excited about this game-changing technology in our York Affinity products.
Please welcome our Vice President and President for Global Products, Building Technologies and Solutions, Bill Jackson.
What can you say except groundbreaking? This is groundbreaking in many, many dimensions. First, you heard the stories about how we actually developed the product, the testing that it went through, the rigor, right? The different procedures, looking for failures before they would occur and then fixing those. Groundbreaking, right? You heard about our manufacturing. It's world class. World class. You saw pictures of it. We have taken all the best practices that we've learned across Johnson Controls through our Johnson Controls manufacturing system and have embedded it in our Wichita facility. Groundbreaking product, right? You saw a number of features that nobody else has. Nobody. The assurance, right? The charge assurance program, the ability to flip out the door, the easy maintenance opportunity, right? A whole series of things around the groundbreaking products. Our thermostat, easily configured, all thinking about you as the contractor, you as the installer. This is a groundbreaking product. Furthermore, we went through incredibly rigorous testing, and you saw that, the weather testing. We've got brand new chambers, test chambers within Johnson Controls, and we've tested this, as you heard, 91 years, right, of weather testing on a product. We did vibrational testing, right? Huge. This is a win, and we're looking forward to, working with the relationships out there and winning with the new York Affinity product. Thank you.
Thank you for joining the 2017 York Affinity launch. Please visit our website for more information and product details.